the extreme heat, summer heat. So April, May, आताच न्ही पुर्तुगेजाची पयली आनी लिबरेशना उपरांत ही पॉलिसी आसली एप्रिल मायाक हॉलिडे दिवपाक. And the same way in Delhi and in North India, the extreme heat in June, July. That was in June, July, and then the holiday not. Fine, absolutely fine. Now, you are suddenly telling us that April, May, amchi iskola asli. So you are, without applying your mind, chitpak jai. Why holidays were there in June, July in Delhi? Because those children, they want to protect them from the extreme heat. तुम्ही आमच्या भुरग्यांक directly without applying your mind ती policy हांगा लायतात तुम्ही. You know, our children will get affected. They can suffer from dehydration. Extreme heat conditions are there. So this is the problem with this government. Delhi कोण decide करता, which is being decided in Nagpur. हांव जाणा तुम्ही Nagpur कोण decide करता पळय ती policy मागीर Delhi सान आख्या इंडियाक लावन सुद्दां. I have been in Parliament last few weeks. We have been fighting. We have extended our support to DMK because they are also fighting. So look at that government fighting against the type of decisions the government of India, central government, is trying to impose. Same way, Amcha Sarkaran, they have to keep the interest of our people in mind that we will not allow you to apply your decisions on Goa. आम्ही कितें म्हणटा एक म्हणणी आहा कोंकणीन शिकून भ्रूत म्हणटा पळय ते. जस्ट लिटररी एड्युकेशन इज नॉट इनफ. इस्कॉलान शिकयता तेंच न्ही, आमकांचे आवय बापूय घरान शिकयता. आमचे जेन्ना आमी खेळपाक वता दोंगरा जंगलात खंय आमकां शिकपाक मेवता. आयज हांगा आयले आयज ही भुरगीं हांगा प्रोटेस्टाक आयल्यान आज लोया मैदानार तांकां एक शिक्षण मेवलां की जेन्ना रॉंग डिसिजन दिता then you have to protest. So this is what we offer, and we have promised them we will be with the parents, we will be with the children, because आमी सदां म्हणटा the future of a country, the future of a state lies in the interest of the children. आयज तर भुरग्यांक बरें शिकोवप दीत जाल्यार आमचो स्टेट, आमचें भारत देश बरो आसतलो.
You mentioned that you'll be submitting the petition to the Education Minister of India. It's a time-bound thing, which is 7th, which is when the parents will have to take their children. Do you have any advice to offer in case a decision is not come?
No, since the matter is sub judice, I don't want to comment on that. But I am with the parents, I am with the students, because it is same म्हणा पळय ते शिकून भ्रूत म्हणटा पळय ताणी इलायला. And I also want to tell.
Sir, you have
2 weeks back, I don't want to name the school and I don't want to name the principal. एका इस्कॉलान एक प्रिन्सिपल बायली ती भुरग्यांक टेररिस्ट म्हणे. I didn't want to make it a political issue. I didn't want to, make it into a protest. But if this type of things are coming into Goa, आम्ही हे उगी रावचे ना. ते म्हणटा तुम्ही तर हिंदी शिकना, तुम्ही पाकिस्तानाक वच. What type of language is this? This has happened here in Goa.
Sir,
and we conveyed to that principal, we will not tolerate all this. We are not trying to make it into a political thing, but please behave. And she promised this will not repeat it.
Sir, you have been to Delhi and all. Could you explain to us what is the difference of this weather now when their season starts? And
see, in Delhi, the summer sets in June, July, and there is a garam वारें त्या साइडीन येता. It is known as loo. It hits you very badly. You get dehydrated, and weather there is dry. आमची कितें humid हा, घाम येता, आमची बॉडी तरी पूण मातशी कूल उरता because घामाक लागून आमकां ती चिकटपण दिसता. But that also keeps our body clean because we are on the coastline. We are getting this particular breeze from the sea. The humidity is high. But in Delhi and those North Indian shades, it is dry climate. That heat totally dehydrates you. तू तर वद्यावर वतान रावशी भायर जाल्यार तूं थंयच collapse जातलो. So that is the difference. So you can't apply your rule to us. Why not apply our rule to you? Let us continue till May. You all also, after that, कंटिन्यू लायक दॅट ऑर वायस वर्सा आमी एप्रिलान मायाक इस्कॉल बंद करता तुम्ही बंद करा आणि जुनान स्टार्ट करा लेट्स सी देन दे विल से आमकां गरमी लागता एक्झॅक्टली दॅट इज वॉट वी आर ट्रायंग टू टेल आमच्याय भुरग्यांक गरमी लागता